what we said so far. I mean, not so far. In this paragraph, that the person should strive to make 100 brachas, and it should bring him to Yiras Shamayim. So basically, what we're trying to say, of course, to say unnecessary bracha is very bad. So it's better for a person not to make bracha, like in a case of the doubt, right, than to make unnecessary bracha. Okay, so it's like we have to be careful. Continue. It is a big task that has been handed to us. The obligation to pause and focus on reality at least 100 times a day, at least. The reality that Hashem was, is, and always will be, that He gave us our bodies and our souls, our Torah and our mitzvahs. There is He who continuously wills us and every atom in the of the matter into existence. And it is He who is constantly showering us with pleasures. Okay, so what does it says here? So okay, let me read one more time. Maybe we'll explain line by line because it's a lot of information here. It is a big task that has been handed to us. The obligation to pause and focus on reality at least 100 times a day. So this 100 times a day, and it's not only blessings on food. Don't take it wrong. So it's not like that you have to eat the whole day. No, it's all of the blessings means up to the bathroom is a blessing. Morning blessings. When we say Shmona Esrei, we have blessings, right? So if you pray Shmona Esrei 3 times a day, so it's 3 times 19, right? If you listen to repetition of the Chazan, you have another one. Another was it 28, right? So I mean, and plus you answer to Kaddish and stuff like that. So all of these things are actually counted. Okay, so to the number of 100. Continue. The reality that Hashem was, is, and always will be, and He gave our bodies and our souls, our Torah and our mitzvahs. That it is He who is continually wills us and every atom of the matter into existence. And it is He who is constantly showering us with pleasure. So if you start from the beginning of the sentence, so first of all, you have to understand that He gives us all these pleasures, and we have to be grateful, right? And not only He gives us pleasure, but He gives us opportunity to enjoy all of these pleasures, right? So, for example, if person has money to eat good food, but he's very sick, right? So this food is not good for him, or I don't know, or he cannot enjoy it, or he cannot chew, or I don't know what's going on with this person. So we have to be grateful for all of these things combined. It is our obligation to seize these profound opportunities and to use them to express our acknowledgement of the gratitude in a bracha, meaningful way. So basically, like every time when we say bracha, we have to understand what's going on, how many things, small, little, tiny things Hashem had to take care of for us to be able to enjoy this moment. Okay, next piece.